I just thought I'd show you what a containment area looks like when I get to do a Dutch pour. This, what is it, a 15 by 30 canvas, and you can see when I do blowing it really blows it good, and I would rather not blow it on my wall or my areas where I sit and paint. Anyway, just thought you might get a kick out of seeing how I try to control a mess. So with that, I will be back when we get our base coat down, and this is going to be a, bring it in a little bit here, this is going to be a Dutch pour with probably 3 different colors, a little bit of gray and white on the back, on the side. So I'll be back when I get the base coat down and we'll have some fun. So here we go. I've got my gray in the center, which is really a silver and white mix, but it's gray, and then white on the sides. And I am going to try a Dutch pour. Now, the color combination remains to be seen how it turns out. And I'm not using a lot of paint. I don't know if I should use more or what. Anyway, I'm going to put some white lacing on this. Actually, it's Amsterdam white, but yeah. This is going to be interesting. I better get rid of my cups because when you blow, these little cups can take off on you. They're so lightweight, like little round kites. Maybe a touch of red. I don't know. I've had this red a long time. I got to tell you that putting them in these little container cups with the closable lids, it keeps it for a long time. I probably had that a month at least. I know. You're going, who cares? Okay. Oh boy. Put it on low. Okie dokie. I don't know why I'm so nervous on this one. I thought in my mind what I wanted to do, but who the heck, you know how that goes. Nothing ever turns out the way you thought. I'm putting a couple touches of black here to possibly tie it into the bottom. Ooh, that sounds professional, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. Here we go, mister. One. Okay, now for 2. And these are going to be orange colors. Yes, they are. Oh, yes. Crazy is as crazy does. All right. I'm going to put down the oranges right here. There's 1. There's 2. Some white. Maybe. And last orange, and a couple of spots of black. Really helps to keep the lids open, dum-dum. Okay, let's move the paints out of the way again. Crazy. All right, here we go. I know what you're thinking. No, I don't. I don't know what I'm thinking. Little blow over. Okay. Wish I knew where I put my blower. Oh, way over there. Okay, here we go. There's two. I got some bubbles. I better blow them. All right. Now for the last colors. We're going to have some yellows. Okay, there's one. This is yellow with a little bit of gold in it. And a brighter yellow. That's a sunflower yellow. And here's a bright yellow. Okay. Okay, try it again. Whoop. Need a little something there, but I'm not quite sure what. Any ideas? How about I bring up a little bit of this color in it and kind of get those going together. I need another color, not yellow, not dark. How about a touch of this? I'm just, oh, you know what? Let's see, I'll tie a little bit of red into it. That might be fun, huh? And a touch of white. Don't know until you try. Okay, here we go. kind of interesting, isn't it? Yes, it is. All right, I'm going to let that sit and percolate for a minute and intermingle, and I'll be back. Stand by. Sorry about that. I forgot to turn the picture on. I was adding a little bit of paint in various places and trying to add a little bit more depth and perception to this. Yeah, kind of fun one, eh? Okay, let me get the the butane. And just in case you were wondering, I laid this out with the thought that it would hang vertically. In other words, this way. This would be the bottom and go up like that. And I just wanted to try the color combinations for something different to do. And it looks pretty good when I'm standing down here looking like that. Yeah, kind of crazed. So I'll let that sit and mingle for a while, and we'll be back with some final shots. This is Richard saying stand by. We shall be back. I see we got a lot of overhead lights, which can't help that. So anyway, I'll be back. So here we are up close. I think I'm finished. I did a little fiddling with the number 2 pencil and a little bit more with the mini blower, but I'll bring it in so you can see the intermingling that took place. The oranges didn't intermingle as much as the purples did, and the yellows turned out different than I thought, but they turned out. While I was fiddling around, I made a little small coaster with the same color. That turned out okay. Anyway, there you have it. Another fun pour. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like when it dries, and I put a little varnish on it. So this is Richard saying, hey, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time.